Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be cleaning my wheels up. I just got the tires mounted on, so the wheels is a little dirty, and plus I'm running a brake pad that's got a lot of dust, so I want to make sure my wheel is protected. So I'm gonna use some Chemical Guy Diablo wheel cleaner, and I already mixed it into this glass cleaner spray bottle, and then I'm gonna protect it with Chemical Guy Max Coat wheel guard. Put that on there. So before we start, I want to measure the weight of the wheels. I didn't actually get the measurement of these tires while they're on the RPF, but I'm pretty sure the weight difference shouldn't be that much off, because these are the old tires I have are 235 45 17, and then the new tire that I got is 245 40 17. So I forgot to weight them on the RPF before I dismounted them and put the new tire on, but it should be very close with the new tire on there. I think the weight shouldn't be that much difference, but I mounted the these are the old tires that were on the RPF, so I mounted them on my stock 17 wheels. So I'm gonna weight the two of them and show you guys the difference between the weight. So here's my weight. It's just a normal weight scale. Throw this on there right now. So as you can see, it's 45.2 pounds with the stock wheel. I can't see, but you saw that it's 45.2 pounds. So now let's try RPF. Alright, so earlier my camera died, so I couldn't get the weight on this one. Let's try this again. The wheels are now all clean, so they're nice and clean now. I just got done washing them. So let's get a weight of this thing on here. So about 40.4 pounds. So that's about 5 pounds difference from the stock ones to the RPF. 5 pounds difference. So they're both 17-inch. Stock size for these are 0506 wheels. 17 by 7. These are 17 by 9. Then eventually when I take off my stock 16s, I'll weight those as well, but those got smaller tires, so the weight's gonna be not relevant, but just so we get an idea. But that's it. Just gotta apply the max coat on it, and then they should be good to go back on the R6. Alright, just got done putting the max coat wheel guard on my wheels, and they look pretty nice. So hopefully they'll protect it from the brake dust. So just gotta put them on the car and see how they look. These are a little bit more beefier, wider than the 235s that I have on there. These are 245s. So they're all nice and coated. Look brand stinking new. Cheese. Say cheese. Do your burnout. Do your burnout. Ride your bike and do a burnout. Do your fast burnout. Go ride your bike and do a burnout. Now. Ride your bike and do a burnout. Yeah, you gotta go fast and you spin around. Go. Okay, come do it over here. Do it again. One more time. Good job. So here's a wheel comparison to what I was running last year. This was what I was running last year. Same tire, brand RE71. This one was mounted on my stock 16-inch rims. And this is what I'm running this year. A lot wider, that's for sure. And a little bit taller. The weight difference, I weight this one stock 16 with 205, 45, 16 tires, weigh roughly about 34.5 pounds. And this one was about 40 pounds, so about 5 pounds difference. But it's massive compared to what I was running last year or the year before that. So this year I should have way more traction. So we'll just find out.